Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the O'Reilly Pro app is and how it's positioned. O'Reilly Pro is the mobile learning app from O'Reilly Media that lets users access ebooks, expert-led video courses, interactive learning paths, and live training from O'Reilly's professional tech and business library. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. With O'Reilly Pro, you can browse and stream thousands of technical and business topics such as software development, cloud computing, data science, AI, cybersecurity, leadership, and career skills directly on your device. The app syncs your progress across devices so you can start learning on mobile and continue on desktop or tablet without losing your place. O'Reilly Pro also includes features like personalized recommendations, offline downloads for when you're without internet, and curated learning paths to guide your skill development. This app may be useful for professionals, students, or teams who want on-the-go access to industry-standard tech and business training content. For users interested in building skills in areas like programming languages, DevOps, machine learning, or project management with expert-led materials, this could be an option. O'Reilly Pro requires a compatible iOS or Android device and an active subscription to O'Reilly's platform to access full content. Some user feedback may indicate differences in video buffering or content availability based on connection quality, but those experiences are individual and not official limitations documented by the developer. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual learning needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.